My name is Katerina Graham, and the title of my paper is Breaking One-Dimensional Thought, Applying Marcuse to Modern Social Movements. The purpose of my paper was to use Herbert Marcuse's critical theory to better understand and assess contemporary social movements. Marcuse was a big advocate and supporter of progressive social movements in the 1960s, but he largely lost his influence in social movement theory by the 1970s. So really the main goal of my paper was to, in a way, resurrect Marcuse and show why his work is still relevant today. Two of the main concepts I work with is this idea of one-dimensional thought, and then also the possibility of a qualitatively different totality. According to Marcuse, our current way of thinking is fundamentally one-dimensional, meaning that acceptable political action is limited to what can be operationalized within the current system, ultimately making any real dissent questionable. In order to overcome this one-dimensional paradigm, Marcuse believed that qualitatively different totality was needed, and that this should be the end goal of social movements. This research is obviously timely. There has been a steady emergence of social movements over the past couple decades, and if recent events are of any indication, it is clear that Donald Trump's presidency is going to spark even more movements and protests. With that being said, I think Marcuse could provide an important backdrop to critically understand the emergence of such movements and to assess their strategies.